From the previous video, you created the log file ABC Engineering Santon, located in the directory shown above. Now go to the folder on your hard drive, C, Get Logs. If you have not made that folder and do not have the spreadsheet file that will generate meaningful reports, drop us an email. We will send it to you shortly. In the folder, you should have the following three files: the printable user guide, logs and reports. Delete logs. This is the file used from a previous investigation. We now need to go and collect the data. So again, let's go to where we store that data. Don't delete this file, keep it for historical reasons, but we do need to copy this file. So right-click copy. Then you need to go and paste this file in the location C drive get logs. Rename your file to logs.csv so we can use it to generate reports. So again, we're back to the same three files, but this time logs is the latest data you fetched from site. But as you can see, the data is still unimpressive. It's just a whole list of date and time stamped on and off events. It doesn't mean very much to us to interpret what really happened on site. We need this file open when generating or editing reports. So please keep it open, but minimize it with the following button. Now we need to open up reports. The first thing we want to do is name our report. So go to this yellow block and name it as per the site you're investigating. In our case, ABC Systems in Santon. Now the report has, again, like 4 templates. If you're not sure which template to use, you'll have to watch the video on programming the RS1000. Most new boards will be report template 1 because the serial numbers of the board are greater than 328. So we're going to leave this that we're using the report template 1. Let's pick the year that we're in, 2015, and the month, which is now November. This will now fetch data from your log files only for the month of November in the year 2015. This data is not from an actual site, it's from the training test jig, so it looks pretty basic, one trigger of each alarm for about 22 seconds. But as you can see, by using those filters, we've got down to the month we want to be in. But you have further filters for data. We can also filter by day and say we only want to see alarms for the 9th of the month. So that's what happened on a particular day, and then we can pick and choose which alarms we want to see. In this case, we only want to see input 10 and nothing else. So the report has now been filtered to only show jockey pump runs on a given day, given month of the year, and you obviously now can forward this report to your customer to show what actually happened on site after an incident or a fire.